Hey there, how are you? This is Pavani. I've been learning price action for a while now. Lately, I started taking some small trades. I've been making money and I've been losing money. Starting today, I've decided to document my trading journey through YouTube videos, and this marks my day one. Currently, I'm trading with small amount, only one lot, until I gain confidence and be able to build a really good winning streak. I am not looking to increase my capital. It will stay small, and I'm okay to make some small losses, as currently I could afford to burn some money. As long as I am learning, I'll be continuing. uh, and also I'm still trying to keep my losses small, which is also, I believe, should be part of the game. It's okay to make losses, but I will be trying to make them as small as possible. So today I have taken along 6 trades. I will be reviewing all those trades and why I have taken them, and I'll be showing my order book and how much money I have made or I have lost. So for out of 6 trades, 4 trades are good trades, out of which one is a good trade and a good execution, and 3 of them are good entries, but bad execution. Sorry, 2 of them are good entries and bad execution. 2 of them are good entries and good execution, and one could be a better entry, but one is a very bad trade. I'll be going through each trade, where I took the trade and where I did exit. So my first trade is at 11:31. I have taken a PE, and at 11:35 I have exited with profit. So around 11:31, after I the market made this big bear candle, I have taken the trade around this, where I marked the red line, and I am aiming for 10 points profit, and my stop loss is 10 points. I don't manage it through the software. Currently, I am trading through Charada. My stop loss and target are mentally, so as soon as I look on the screen that my target or stop loss has reached, I'll be exiting manually. So this one, I got the initial momentum that I am looking for at the downside initially, and I did make my target 10 points. So you can see at 222 I entered, and 2333 I did exit. So that made me 11 points. For one lot I made around 855. So that's a good trade and good execution. I waited until my target or stop loss has reached, and then the trade 2 is CE trade at 11:33. I have taken a CE trade, and 11:39 I did exited for like 8 points loss. Let's see, 11:33. So around this point. So once market has shown the mean reversal pattern, and since we are at the key level of 25,000, I was kind of expecting the market to show at either trading range or an upside rising channel for the rest of the day. So here, as we have already made one leg upwards, and then this I was kind of considering as second entry, and even before this candle closed at 11:33, I have taken my CE trade, again targeting for 10 points profit or 10 points stop loss. But this turned out to be a bad entry, because as long as I took the trade, I got a really good bear candle formed. So at around 8 points loss, I have closed my trade, and I made 626 loss with this trade. And if I had waited for this candle to close, I would have known that this is actually a not a very good bull bar, and for this I should wait to for a candle who closes above this high. So for the next trade I did the same. So here you can see after this candle formed, around my third trade is at 11:45 and 11:52 exit. So as soon as this second candle closed above the prior candle's high, I have taken the trade at 11:45, and I did exited in the same bar at not on the same bar, at 11:52. On the next bar I have exited. My target is again for 10 points, but I have exited early. So this is a good entry point, but it's a bad execution. I didn't waited for my target or stop loss to reach. So 3.3 into 75 for one lot, I made around 247 points. But as you see, I have exited at this candle, but if I had waited, I would have actually reached my 10 points target. Then after that I made I took one PE trade, so that's around 12:15 here. So here I took one PE trade. My view for the day is still either upside or trading range. So keeping trading range in mind, I was fading the trend, so I was taking the counter trend. So my target is only 5 points. So 5 points I reached in the same candle, so I did exited. So here you can see trade at 12:15 I entered for 204. At 12:16 I exited at 209. For that I made 5.15 points, and that made me 386 profit. So that's a good entry and a good execution, so I marked it as good trade. And trade 5 is a bad trade. I will show you why. So at 12:29 I have taken this trade here. So I was kind of expecting this 12:25 candle. I want this to cross above this red line I have marked, and I thought as soon as it crosses above, I will get my momentum, and I will take a buy side trade, and I will close it for 10 points. So around 221 I have hit my buy order, but it has actually in the last minute it has raised very sharply, and I was taking my trade around this point, but within seconds it raised. But since I give market orders, I was expecting it to be filled by 220, but it got filled at 231, which is actually my target. As I see here, I thought since this bar is a really good bull bar with momentum, I was expecting at least 10 points on top of this. Even though my order got filled with my target price, I was expecting it to go at least 10 points more, my option price. But as soon as this bear candle formed, I was kind of realized that it is actually a very bad trade, since there is a triple top formed here, and also there is a pattern of ascending triangle, and this could be trading range. So this is actually coming down. So I realized it's a bad trade. So as soon as my ascending triangle line got broke here, where I marked the red line, I have exited this trade by booking 10 points loss. I bought at 231. I have exited at 222. That's actually 9 points, and that made me 712 loss. So this is a bad trade. I could have not taken a CE trade, anticipating a triple top, and also by looking at the ascending triangle pattern, a a sell trade could be a really good, it could make really good scalp in here. So I have marked this as bad trade. And then my last trade is for CE, and until this point I was kind of expecting a bull channel after my mean reversal pattern. So that's also the reason for me to keep this trade, expecting price to reach this point. But after this candle has formed, it was clear to me that it's not going to be a bull channel after my mean reversal pattern. It's going to be my sideways or trading range day. So I am still looking for a trade after this trade given me loss. I'm still looking for a trade to take upside. So as soon as this at 12:55, as soon as this candle formed, I have taken a buy a CE at this. So around 13:01 I have taken this trade for 214. I have bought the CE for 214, and again my target is like 10 points. Again I have given up at 13:02. I have given up for my emotions. In the same candle I have booked like 2.4 points, but if I had waited I would have got my 10 points here itself. So again a good entry but bad execution. So if I added up everything, all this, I made like 330 rupees profit. But since I have taken 6 trades, 6 buys and 6 sells, my charges added up to 466 rupees, and minus my profit 330, I actually made 136 rupees loss after guessing like 5 of the trades. My direction for the trade is good, but bad execution and one bad trade. So these are my charges for the day. I am okay to lose some money since it's going to be offering me some learning. This is how we can learn to trade. I am trying to enhance my system to decide a target and stop loss better instead of like 10 points. So I am still exploring on that. Until that I will be taking maybe 10 points only, and I am currently committed to taking scalps only, because I don't think in options a swing will be aligning to my mindset or to my psychology, because I'll be constantly afraid of the delta effect. So even for the scalps I'm constantly afraid, since even for today we are only 2 days away from the expiry. I am still thinking like my option price is like going to be reducing, even though my direction is correct. So that is the reason I have taken the exits early, even for the trades which are actually turned out to give me some profit. So I don't think scalps, other than scalps, anything else is good for my psychology currently, so I'll be sticking to scalps. And also I don't want to burn so much money. I can burn money, but I don't want to. So I want to limit my lot size to only one. That's the reason I am keeping my funds with only 20,000 currently. I don't want to add more into that, and I don't want to increase my lot size until I get some confidence. So this is day one. I think I'm not going to trade for the rest of the week, since I have to actually report to my day job. So this is it. Please do like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.